Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as promised, if you guys saw my last video vlog, I did mention I was going to do a video on the new LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. So if you guys are ready, let's get started. And as you see, I haven't even tried it or anything. It still has a little seal, so you guys know. And really quick, I am in color, well, I actually chose this. It's a soft honey, so let's see if it actually is like my color or not. But right off the back, I do want to mention that the packaging on this caught my attention so much. It is just a very sleek packaging, matte feel to it. If you guys have tried the other one, I actually do like it, but I purchased it once and I didn't go back because I always like changing my foundations. And yeah, also really quick, if you guys, my whole background, my whole setups, if you guys know, I did move, so I'm testing out this whole new lighting. I am in front of a window, so yeah, hopefully it comes out good. If not, then I don't know. But yeah, I'm just testing it out, and I already actually prime, well not prime because I actually do not use primer. If you guys do know this, I actually just moisturize with this Clinique lotion that I'm actually running out of. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Morphe sponge, and it is clean, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the first one right here. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pump it on my, okay. So I don't know if I was supposed to shake it or not, but kind of that started running already. So let me see. I don't know what you guys think. Hopefully I did a good choice in picking this out. And I actually did purchase this off of I went to, if you guys are local here in California, near the area of Downey, there's a store called Vanity Box Downey. It's not the same one that if you guys saw my vlog. The other one that I've gone to, it's in La Puente, and they are actually not affiliated, but this one is in Downey. Has similar names, I know, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, if you guys are around this area, this is where I got it from. And I did buy this for about $9 and made some taxes, of course. So yeah, let me see. I mean, so far it's looking like it is my color. Okay, it has a very light smell, and it smells good, but it's very light. It's not overpowering, and I'm liking the way it's blending, guys. I think I'm liking this one better than the first one that they came out with. And so far with this like pump and maybe a little bit less than half, it's covering my whole face. And I actually did do my brows off camera, because after this I am gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, which I normally don't do. I first usually start with my eyes, but today for the video I did want to do a review on this foundation. It is fairly new, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do simple eye look and lashes, of course, because I can never do an eye look without a lashes. I'm lost for words right now. I think I did pretty good in choosing color. It's a color matching. They actually did have testers right there at the Vanity Box. I'll leave their Instagram down below just in case you guys are nearby or happen to be in the LA area or just want to stop by and check out that store. I definitely do recommend it. They have lots of stuff. Hey guys, so I just finished my makeup. I just did something very simple. Just finished up the look, and I also did set my foundation. I actually did not want to set it because I felt like I had already done it, but I actually didn't. It was just the foundation itself. So I thought that was something different, something I haven't noticed with any other foundation or anything, obviously. So yeah, I just finished it off. I did just use, like I said, I did something simple on the eyes. If you guys do like it, let me know and comment down below. And if I definitely would recommend this, of course, yes, I would, for $9. And it is a very full coverage foundation. It is matte. If you guys love matte, I think there's more people that love matte than anything. I really do like this foundation. I feel like this one right here, I will repurchase it if I don't wear a BB cream. This is one of my go-to foundations that I would definitely just pick up and wear it. Like I said, very lightweight. It does not feel heavy on my face. I felt like this color also fits very good. I actually was very skeptical about this because it does look light, and I'm actually a little bit more tan, if you guys could see. I know right here I'm white, a little bit whiter, because that's where obviously that's where sun doesn't hit. But I feel like overall it did blend very well. And if you guys, like I said, like this video, give this thumbs up, and if you guys are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.